Hey Math Kids, today we're going to talk about set operations. And so to start this off, um, let's just use the same sets from last time, if I can remember them. Then we have A, okay, so once again, let's draw our Venn diagram. Okay, we can also place our elements where they go. So A and B have 3 in common, and we also have 4 and 5 in B, and then we have 1 and 2 in A, and then we get 1 through 5, and we have 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the first thing is let's introduce union. So this symbol that looks like a U, it's called union, and what it wants us to do is it wants us to write a new set that contains all of the elements of both of these sets. So we just write everything that's in A, and then we write anything in B that we haven't already written down. So we already wrote down 3, so we don't need to write that down, but then we have 4 and 5. Now if we go to the Venn diagram, we can see all we do is write down everything that's either in the purple circle or the green circle. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's how union works. It's just everything in both A and B. Okay. Now let's do intersection. So it's just an upside down union symbol. And what that means is you look at these two sets and you make a new set that contains all of the elements that they have in common. So if we look at this, 1, not found here, 2, not found here, 3 is found here, and so that's what we write down. They only have 3 in common. We see that right here, and so that's our intersection. Okay, union, intersection. Now we can we can play around more with these ideas. We can say things like not A union B, for example. So in my opinion, it's easiest if we first find the complement of A. And so remember, the complement of A is where we just cross out the things in the universal set that we find in A and write down everything else. So that's just 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now if we take this set and we union it with B, we write down everything in B, or it doesn't matter which one you start with, but I'm going to do B. And then anything in the complement of A that we haven't already written down, we want to write down now. Now if we look at this like visually, the complement of A is going to be everything right here, like everything on the outside of A. So it's like the piece of B that doesn't intersect with A. And then we want the union of that and B. So if we take all of that stuff, which is 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, and then if we take everything in B, which is just an additional 3, we get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? That's essentially it. So if you have additional questions, please come to Math Lab. Until then, calculator.